How to move actions in the workflow builder. Within a workflow, you may want to make changes and reorder one or multiple actions. Rather than deleting and recreating actions, you can move one or more workflow actions to another part of your workflow. This can save you time if you just want to reorder or reorganize your workflow rather than redoing it from scratch when you're making adjustments. Follow these simple steps to learn how to move one or multiple workflow actions within the builder. Within your workflow builder, hover over a workflow action to display the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of that workflow action. Click on that menu icon to open the Actions menu. From the menu, choose Move. And then within that sub-menu for Move, select Move Action to move one individual workflow action. Or select Move All Actions from here to move that particular action and all following actions. The workflow will now display Move Here icons. Click any of them to move the workflow action or actions to that new spot. If you change your mind and want to cancel the moving of an action or actions, just click into the white or blank space on the side of your workflow and it will reset or cancel the process. Don't forget to save your workflow once you've made any changes before you leave the workflow builder. And then you're all set. Congratulations, you now know how to move actions within your workflow builder.